Happy New
seat.
Year.
Have a seat.
Happy New Year's last year.
Thank you. So, Richard, what did I hear? 20 years old?
Yes.
20 years old and able to compete in Mr. Hmong, Oklahoma. Are you excited?
I'm very excited last year.
What made you decide to run for it?
What made me run was that I wanted to be more involved in the Hmong community.
Oh wow! You know, not a lot of youngsters will actually take that step to get involved in our Hmong community. So I applaud you for that, Richard. Thank you. Richard. So with that being said, we know why you're here and stuff, but what is one big accomplishment that you've done in your life?
One big accomplishment for me was that I competed in this 90 days transformation contest, which was I had 90 days to change my body from being a lesser physique. So my transformation was that I lost a lot of fat and I gained a ton of big, juicy gains muscles.
Big, juicy gains muscle, guys.
Yeah.
Wow.
You gotta get
Now
those big, juicy muscles.
We know what you are. Now tell us, Richard, who are you?
Well, a few things about me is my name is Richard Yang. I am 20 years old. I reside in Tulsa, Oklahoma. My parents' name is Nyata Ya and my Chu Vu. And a few things about me is that I love to go to the gym, and I love to work out a lot, and I love to go outdoors, and I love to travel the world. I always love new adventures.
I see. Now you said back to that gym, the whole gains again. Is that something that is it one of your hobbies that you really enjoy? Why?
Well, I wouldn't consider it a hobby. I would consider it a lifestyle because going to the gym, it really changes you, really challenges you, and also it changes you mentally. But going to the gym, it gives you that big, juicy pump, and it makes you look really handsome. Everyone wants that big, nice six-pack.
Is that right, guys? Yeah. Is that what you guys want? I guess that big juicy gains, right? So Richard, with that being said, what is one long-term goal of yours?
Can you please repeat the question?
What is one long-term goal?
One long-term goal of mine is to go back to school, and I want to get my electrical engineering degree, and I want to get that, and hopefully I want to get a good job, so a job that will allow me to travel the world and see many cultures, traditions, different kind of people around the world.
I see. That's really a big thing in our youngsters to actually travel and see the outside world and to obtain that experience and put it into life. So I applaud you for that. So with that being said, Richard, is there a main reason as to why you joined the pageant?
I guess one reason why I decided to join was to get closer to my community, but it was also to show me what the Hmong community really is, to show who we are, what we stand for. And being here today, it really shows me how great the Hmong community is. It shows us how loving and how kind and passionate we are about who we are, and we're not afraid to show it.
Right. That's number one thing, right? Hmong people, you gotta love yourself. So Richard, our time is coming to end already. I'm gonna go ahead and give you this moment to say a few words to our Hmong people here and your supporters. So go ahead.
Hello guys. First of all, I would like to thank my sponsors for Brothers Laundry. Without them, I would not be here today. And second of all, I would like to thank my friends and family over there since they're my best supporters out there. I love you guys for that. And I'd like to thank my parents and my brothers and sisters being here. Without them, I would not be here today. And I would like to thank the audience for being here and enjoying our Hmong New Year with us. And I know many of you guys traveled far to come join us. I hope that you guys enjoy it and have a happy New Year. Thank you.
ขอเชิญพวกที่จบเรียนเชิญ